Good morning. So you guys didn't see, we're knocking things down today, so got a full day. Stick around. Fires are burning. From a trailer to no trailer. Voila. Cabin is next. Gonna continue here after lunch in a little bit. Knocking this thing down and the whole house literally moves. Like if I push it, like look at it, the whole thing like lifts up. That's so funny. Anyway, there's a sink inside, so I'm gonna knock down this wall right here. We're gonna try to get all the stuff out once I knock it down, so this should be fun here. Right, here's the tour. We have a spacious living room. You walk in, just a little bit of TLC here, just a little roof leak, nothing too much. We gotta fix, and got some mice living there. Oh, look at the furniture, beautiful furniture. This furniture, we're gonna just vacuum it and leave it. I'm all about salvaging things. And the plus with this house, the pantry's still full. We got boxes of cereal, medicine, anything you want, crackers, anything you want, it's here. Kitchen, look, all your appliances, refrigerators, sinks, stove, medicine cabinet right here. Yeah, band-aids, just in case anybody gets hurt. All the good stuff. Now, to the master suite we go. Let's look at the master suite. Look, what master suite isn't complete without a set of scales? Look at this. We got everything here. Clothes, linens, backpacks, just in case you need to go somewhere. Look, a wallet. Empty wallet. Oh wait, maybe there's something in there. There is. That's a pretty cool wallet. I'll check it out here. See what's in here. Cups, plates. What's this? What's this? Plastic cups. Yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Everything. Anything you need is in this master bedroom. Even the newspaper and Reader Digest. So here we have it. This is the grand tour. The grand tour. And just in case you forgot your clothes or your baggage got stuck at in the airport, you got a full wardrobe here. This we'll be renting for $150 a night, Airbnb. Listing tomorrow. This is all going to the trash. But there we have it. There's really nothing special. I found some Coca-Cola cups, so we're gonna take those, see if they're worth anything. But kind of just look at everything, and I don't see anything of value. So I'm gonna knock this thing down. Say goodbye to it. Goodbye. Kitchen cleaned out back here. See it? Nice and clean. Now it's time for the living room. We're gonna knock this wall down, see what we can get out of there. Here we have it. Kitchen's cleaned out. Living room's cleaned out. Just about. Now we have the bedroom back there left, and then as soon as we get the bedroom, I'm just gonna knock this whole thing over. Fire's going strong. Gonna take a 5-minute break. Let's have a final look before we knock it down. We've pretty much cleared the rooms, got everything out of the house. Really not too much interesting stuff. I put some stuff aside, I'll show you later, but let's take one last look. Here it is, the old rundown nasty cabin. We have emptied the rooms. I pushed some more dirt off the side of it. I mean, this guy was a hoarder slash used this place as a dump. Look at this dump. Look at that dump all through that ridge, just filled with dirt. And then we have, you guys got it?
Careful.
What? Oh, look, it's a dead cat. Preserved, mummified cat. Oh, this is gonna make me throw up. Yuck. But look at this, animals were living in here. It's actually quite spacious with all the stuff gone. It's pretty roomy, I'd say. Look. That's the kitchen, all empty. I mean, this room actually is a pretty good size once you get everything out of it. Look, it's not bad. It's good, even got a little closet. Pretty cool. Now, that's what the ceiling looks like. You can see where we knocked it down a little bit. It's not too bad. I'm about to just knock this whole thing over right now. So, goodbye, little cabin. Goodbye. Attention, it's demo day. We got this thing knocked down. Look at this. I'll show you what was, what is. This is what is, my friends. A pile of rubbish. Look at this. Still structurally, it's still got a structural integrity. Oh boy. Anyway, I got it knocked down. You can see how the lot, just how big it is without this thing here. So really opens up nice. Opens up real nice. Well, an update. It's raining. A much needed rain. Oh, the blessings raining down on my head. All right, check it out, guys. Let me show you what we got. It is fire's burning, dumpsters full. The old cabin demoed. I went through here with the backhoe. We just picked out a bunch of trash and pushed it up there just so I can kind of start getting around. And I already pushed a bunch of garbage onto the burn pile, so we'll see. I'm just gonna burn and clean. But let me go back here, back out of the rain a little bit, right here. And you can see how big the lot is. Just opens up real nice right here. Got everything packed up. We found a bunch of goodies. I'll show you those a little bit later, but that's a wrap for the day, my friends. Well, actually, you know what? Let me go show you. So here are the goodies. Found a bunch of tools, chimney sweep, a bunch of this stuff, just a bunch of cool tools. Gas tanks, cage for wild animals, 2 gas tanks there. The coolest thing, a couple of tins, nothing special, but I like this right here. Look, it's a collection of old Pepsi and Coca-Cola, and I'm pretty sure people love this kind of stuff because it's all collectible and it's old. Look at that, Pepsi Cola. Isn't that the coolest glass ever? What else do we have? We have a bunch of them, just a bunch of different ones. Let me see what this one is. Well, I'm sure, I don't know, this one's not that special, but there's other Coca-Cola ones in there, so gotta be careful with those. Take them home to the wifey, have her give her expertise on them. But that's a day, and what a way to end the day with howdy. So didn't get a chance to finish the video out there on site just because I'm giving rides to a couple of the guys and I gotta run home. Don't have a minute to sit down out there. But as I was ending the video out there, I meant to say what a way to end the day with beautiful rain coming down. I love the rain. I think rainy weather is my favorite weather. Rain and fall. I love the fall. In September, October, when the leaves and it just gets like this. I love it. The rain, the leaves turning color, and just something about that weather. And kind of you get a little bit of sad, you know, just that transition to winter. I love it. My favorite. Started getting sweater weather going and stuff like that. Not too off from that. Another month and a half we'll be there. But what I want to say, thought of the day. Been slacking on my thought of the days, so I got one today for you. I was talking to one of the guys I'm working with here. He was asking me some questions and the conversation went this way, that way, all over the place. And one of the things kind of we went to is like your purpose in life, you know. And he didn't ask me what my purpose in life is, but just the conversation went that way, and I told him what my purpose in life, what I feel is the type of life I want to live. I feel that's very important. A lot of people, they live through day, week, month, year after year. They just do stuff, and it's not, you don't even know, like, is everything that you do, is it ultimately are those things really like taking you to your main purpose in life? See what I'm saying? Or does that sound wacky and confusing? Let me try to rephrase it differently. So like, each person I believe, was put on earth for a reason. So, for instance, like I know what my purpose is here. I just deep down in my heart kind of analyzing of, you know, my life, and I kind of figured out this is what I need to be doing every day to achieve my purpose in life. And I think that's important because you can't you can set goals, you can set timelines, you can do a bunch of stuff, but ultimately, are all those things, you know, the things that are helping you achieve your purpose in life? Food for thought. Deep stuff there. Yeah, my last name is Greek, and I feel like sometimes I philosophize too much, if that's a word. Too much philosophy. But anyway, I think it's good though. When you ask yourself these weird, wacky, difficult questions, it's good. It gets you thinking, your brain working, and when your brain is working, it's good for you. So anyway, what's your purpose in life? Ask yourself that question. Figure it out. I think it'll help you along your journey. So, God bless. We got that thing knocked down. We got it to where we got a few more days, and I think that lot's going to be completely clean. So, stick around, subscribe, like, share, press that like button. I don't like saying that, but do it because it helps out. You know, I I want more people to see what I'm doing. So help me out with that. Anyway, God bless, and see you tomorrow.